Katherine Kowalczyk, and I manage the green infrastructure team for DDOT. At this alley, we used a surface that we call permeable pavers. And so they're blocks that have gaps in between them that the water is able to get through when it rains and go down into a reservoir that we've built underneath the surface that you see. So the alley functions just the same as a normal alley. People can drive on it, they can still put their trash out on it, but there's stuff happening underneath the alley that helps improve the water quality before it goes to our pipe system that then goes directly to the rivers. Well, as many of you might know, the Anacostia and Potomac are impaired. We want to get them to fishable and swimmable condition. And stormwater is one of the pollutants that we weren't aware of until the last few years that is really degrading the quality of these rivers. And we find that all of the things that are running off into the roads and then going directly into the pipe system, and there's no treatment before they reach the rivers. And so what we're doing is coming in and retrofitting parts of the city to try to make little dents in helping improve the water quality.